is Benjamin Conoyer. I've lived in the St. Charles area here my entire life. I'm a physician here in the St. Charles. Since we've gone solar, the benefits are numerous. You know, some neighbors and everything, they're like, how is it, you know, going solar and everything? Or what was your energy bill this month? I'm like, you don't want to know. You know, they'd say, you know, mine was $400 or something a month, and I was like, it's $3. You know, worst case scenario, last month when it was 90 plus, it's the hottest summer on record anytime around. You know, my bill, I think I had the highest bill ever so far in the last 2 years at like $70. The two biggest considerations I had is what would this do financially, and you know, is the house going to support a system like that? And you know, that both boxes were checked off. Solar energy makes a lot of sense for a homeowner, especially if you plan on being there a long time. If a homeowner wanted to go solar, you know, I'd certainly suggest StraightUp Solar. You know, they're one of the biggest ones in the area, been around the longest, and very responsive to consumers' needs and questions. And I haven't had any regrets since. I don't think I ever will.